Hello friends, in this video we are importing Excel file into Python with the help of Jupyter Notebook. This code is very simple and straightforward, clear. This section of code has 4 lines of code where in the first line we are importing Pandas library which used to import any kind of Excel or CSV file. Moving on, second line of code is input underscore file. This is a variable where we are saving our Excel file with the help of adding path in the beginning of file name. Moving forward in the third line, which is DataFrame equals to pd dot read underscore Excel input file. This file is saving our input file into a data frame named df. So in future, whenever we want to use our input underscore file, then we can only have to write df for using. For more learning, we will continue with this MUFS file for our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will learn Python with these kind of short clips. Have a great day ahead.